Hola, welcome to Hello Español. In today's lesson, we are going to learn colors in Spanish in less than 3 minutes. Let's begin. Rojo, rojo. Azul, azul. Verde, verde. Naranja, naranja. Amarillo, amarillo. Marrón, marrón. Rosa, rosa. Morado, morado. Dorado, dorado. Plateado, plateado. Gris, gris. Negro, negro. Blanco, blanco. Turquesa, turquesa. Beige, beige. Azul celeste, azul celeste. Violeta, violeta. So that's it for this lesson. As you know, colors are some of the most useful words you can learn because you will use them every day to describe people, objects, animals, clothes, and much more. So I hope you have learned how to pronounce correctly. And see you in the next color lessons that I will talk more details how to use colors in Spanish. Thanks for watching. Hasta luego.